Well, thanks for joining us for Denver 7 News at 5 tonight. I'm Shannon Ogden.
I'm Ann Trujillo, and throughout the pandemic, we have seen shortages of everything from toilet paper to computer chips to baby formula.
So this shortage is different and every bit as serious. Right now, 7 out of 9 pharmaceutical companies that supply Adderall are reporting a shortage.
And tonight we have a 360 in-depth look, diving into the reasons behind the shortage, as well as looking into some solutions for helping people who need it the most.
Our consumer investigator, Jacqueline Allen, joins us. And Jacqueline, people have been reaching out to contact Denver 7 for help here.
They absolutely have, and people I've spoken to cannot function without this medication. We're talking children and adults who are desperate right now. This shortage has been going on for several months, but just in the last few weeks, it became much more serious. So we started digging into why and what people can do about it.
I've had to call multiple pharmacies, and quite often they won't talk to me.
For weeks now, Daryl Lindley has been rationing the medication he needs to treat his ADHD.
It's like a feeling of being when you first wake up in the morning and you can't quite think. It's like that all day long for me without it.
The red squares mean it's not available.
A nationwide shortage of Adderall and its generic versions is hitting Colorado patients and their pharmacies hard. Wheatridge Professional Pharmacy no longer dispenses Adderall to new patients who call every single day.
I just talked to someone today. She says it's been 3 weeks since I've had my medication. What we're finding is these patients have no information of what's happening.
What's happening is a perfect storm, starting with manufacturing. 7 of the 9 companies that make Adderall have announced shortages, possibly tied to labor. Then supply. Because of the opioid crisis, wholesale drug suppliers face new limits on the amount they can send to pharmacies. Finally, demand. It is skyrocketing, especially after the pandemic rise of telehealth visits.
And it is a tough issue, Jacqueline.
Emily Zadvorny with the Colorado Pharmacists Society says pharmacists are bearing the brunt of anger from desperate patients.
Where can people go if they need their prescription and can't find it in their pharmacy?
So unfortunately, this leads to the pharmacy shuffle, right? And that's not good for patients either. So there's not a quick and dirty solution. I don't recommend turning to the virtual solutions because that's actually fueling this problem.
Doctors at UC Health say this medication is critical for patients, especially children.
If they simply can't find a pharmacy that has any, that's when we'd recommend them having a talk with their physician who's primarily prescribing for their ADHD about other alternatives.
For the people who rely on Adderall to function, going without changes their lives completely.
How have you been able to find it?
Luck. Lots of luck. That, and make sure you have, save some medication to make phone calls for, because just the ability to stay focused and make a phone call is actually really difficult. And quite often I have my wife call, because if my wife calls, she's able to stay focused. That's the honest answer.
And for some more context, this shortage seems really hit and miss. Some pharmacies get it, sometimes they don't. I found many of the drug makers have not said when the supply will get back to normal, so there's a lot of uncertainty. And the patients I talk to say you just have to either keep calling or call your doctor and ask for an alternative.
Yeah. So frustrating.
It really is.
Wow.
Jacqueline, thank you for that. And this is exposing a larger problem here. Going deeper for you, right now the FDA is reporting more than 100 drug shortages in the U.S. There is a drug shortage database on the FDA's website, and you can find the current prescription drug shortages by name and which ones have already been resolved.